Hi everyone, I'm Heinz and welcome to my channel. I hope that you are having a fantastic week. In this video, I will show you the top 3 best trading robots for MetaTrader 4. What this means is I will show you how to select the right trading robot for you. Before we begin with the video, remember to smash the like and subscribe button. Also turn on that bell so that you never miss an update from my channel. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice. It's all for educational purposes only. One of the biggest problems that faces new Forex robot traders is the sheer volume of different bots to choose from. For example, under free, you will see just for MetaTrader 4, there are over 15 pages and a large variety of different types of Forex trading expert advisors to choose from. Because of this, one of the questions I get the most in the comments is what is the best free expert advisor for MetaTrader 4? So in this video, we'll be covering the top 3. In third place, we have Center EA by Trendix. Center EA is a scalping robot that has been specifically designed to be traded on the 1-minute time frame. I like the fact that the author is open to creating new updates and asking the community what type of additions they would like to make to this averaging style EA. It also gives you the option of trading with or without martingale. If we take a closer look at the trading results for this expert advisor, it is a highly active scalping robot. What this means is it suits the type of traders that likes to be in trades a lot of the time. So if you are looking for a bot that is constantly placing a large quantity of trades, this might be the bot for you. One of the key characteristics of Center EA is that it gives you the opportunity of trading in both directions at the same time, meaning the grid that the bot enters will be placing both buy and sells at the same time. However, this option can be unselected by the user. If we take a look at the results on the 15-minute time frame, remember the bot has to trade on the 1 minute. However, if we analyze the trades, you will see the large quantity of trades that it is placing. I do recommend for the bot that you have a carefully selected stop loss and also use a equity account protector to safeguard your trading account. Remember, for these high frequency trading bots, it is important to have the right amount of trading capital available. If your broker has the option of a micro or cent account, take availability of these because they can help you to test the strategy in the real world before committing a lot of your own capital. In this example, you will see that Center EA was able to close a nice trading profit during the time that it was traded. It is important to note that a few additions have been made to the bot since we last featured it on the channel. So make sure to download the most updated version of the Expert Advisor before trading it in the market. What we will see from these trading results from my FX book that within 2 weeks it was able to do a gain of 2.63% on the $100,000 cent account. The growth was very good because it was trading on the 1 minute time frame. However, it is important to take into consideration that with high reward does high risk be included. If we take a look at the profit factor and profitability of the bot, it does do very well. However, if you are trading it in the live market, I do recommend turning it off during high news events. If you want to learn more about this trading robot, make sure to check out the 2 videos that I've already made and take a closer look at the recommended settings and set file for this expert advisor. So if you are a scalper and enjoy placing a lot of trades and generating a large quantity of lots on your account, this might just be the bot for you. In number 2, we have one of the older bots that are featured on the marketplace, which is the EA Monster Multi-Strategy Expert Advisor. This expert advisor by Scott Friedman has shown over a long period that it can be profitable and be very good for new traders. It was originally published in April of 2017 and does have a strong community and great set files that have already been created for the user. For this reason, it isn't necessary to make too many settings, and running the bot on default can be a very good idea. When it comes to Monster EA, the default settings for me have worked well on the hourly chart. However, the recommended time frame for the bot is the daily. It is important to take into consideration that this bot places very few trades over a long period of time. However, it is very stable. If we take a look at the backtesting results over a 12-month period, you will see that it was a very small quantity of orders placed during the 12 months. This is going to be on the hourly chart for the Euro USD. We'll see that the bot over this period was able to get a nice win rate, and even with a 90% testing quality ended in a profit. This example is with a 0.01 lot. It is important to note that it only placed 71 trades during the trading period. However, it did win 69% of those trades, giving it a profit factor of 1.67. I do know that this bot does feel a little bit intimidating because of the large quantity of settings available. However, if you follow the instruction guides created by the author, there's a lot of valuable information that could improve your trading overall. The set file for Monster EA that I've been using is saved on the Google Drive, so feel free to test it for yourself. The set file was specifically created for the Euro USD and is to be traded on the hourly time frame. Remember to adjust your lots according to your specific account balance. And as always, if you have any questions about the specific bot, check out the video and drop the questions in the comments. Lastly, our number 1 free trading robot for MetaTrader 4 is Dark Venus. Dark Venus has shown us over the months and years that it is capable of generating a fantastic return, and because of its customizability, it is able to trade on multiple currencies and different time frames. If you start to take a look at the different settings that are available, you can customize your own strategy for each of the different pairs that are available. I do recommend trading Dark Venus on the 15-minute or hourly time frame and using the 5th strategy option. By using a trend following strategy, you can align yourself with the overall trend in the market. I do recommend using the 50-period Bollinger Band and the 3 times deviations. These settings for the Bollinger Band is the ones that I have found work the best on the 15-minute and hourly time frames. If we take a look at the trading results of Dark Venus on a real account, you will see that it is able to generate 48.86% return between March and April of last year. This was on a FBS real account. It is important because the bot uses a grid style that you can have periods of drawdown. However, if you choose your stop loss and percentage stop loss correctly, your bot will recover those losses and generate a healthy return of $832.90. You will see the drawdown peaked at almost 40%. So if you are considering trading this bot, make sure to adjust it according to your own risk appetite. The peak was on the 28th of March at 37%. However, it ranged up to 25% in general. The $832 return in 2 months is really good for a free trading robot. I do believe with further customization that the bot is able to generate even better returns than what I was able to make last year trading this expert advisor. For this reason, if you want to learn more about Dark Venus and some of the other bots featured today, make sure to watch the other videos on my channel. I want to say thank you for taking the time, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Leave any questions you might have in the comments below. Until next time, bye.